We all know how lately, especially post-GFC, times have changed quite dramatically. Especially for professional services firms who used to have people just ring up and used to have automatically the status of trusted advisor. Right now, phones stop to ring, clients are more skeptical, they also are inquisitive around price and value and really want to make sure they do the right thing. Procurement rules have changed as well, which means whatever it was easy to pick up earlier, right now it's more challenging, it's more complicated, there's more people involved. So the challenge right now is for professional services firms is to really differentiate themselves in the marketplace, to have more meaningful conversations with clients, to also add the value so that the trusted advisor status is still given to them. And last but not least, that they also are able to have meaningful conversations that move from nice coffee chats over to business transactions and keep growing the portfolio and the scope of services from there. Now, let's just be honest. Formal education as an accountant, a lawyer, an engineer, an architect has not really equipped us with the right capabilities to, drum up business, so to speak, to extend your portfolio and to convince clients to invest in your firm so that you can render more service to them and help them. Now, also, I'm very mindful of the fact that most professional service people dislike the idea of selling. But let's just be honest. What made us great in the early days as a junior, a consultant, a manager and the likes, as soon as we transition past that sort of senior manager status, move up the ranks to director and partner, suddenly your skill set, the skill set required to add more value to clients and to also add more value to the firm that you obviously work for is a very different one that none of the formal education caters for. What typically made you famous in the early days is not what is going to make you famous in the later days. And so now is your opportunity to step up, to own the space by creating a skill set and becoming a more rounded person. Not just by keeping the intellectual side up, which I know that obviously happens for formal qualifications reasons. This is the formal technical parts that I know technical education caters for. What lies now on this side here is the aspects where you are having, let's say, that you equip yourself with the right capabilities, the right abilities in order to have more meaningful client-centric interactions that deepen trust, deepen relationships, and also extend the scope of your business, which is really the soft skills that account for very hard business results. Now, because this is typically not being offered, we here at La Group Partners, which is a change management consulting firm who works across Australia, we now are helping more businesses in the professional services environment to come together at a forum with leading experts who will help you to refine those skill sets and abilities and also the mindset around it in order for you to help more customers. And isn't that at the end what we all are meant to do, right? Making a difference, helping to move the needle, helping to also those clients to get the value they're after in a very competitive marketplace. The National Sales Conference is exactly the right forum for you to come to. All the facts and details are on the page. It is held at the Adelaide Entertainment Centre on Port Road in Hindmarsh, South Australia, and we welcome you there. All the best, have a wonderful day, and we look forward to seeing you in March.